getting up to go to work. Yeah, I'm not quite awake yet. I have got to go wash my face, put in my contacts. I'll be right back. What to do with this face today? So yesterday I was watching YouTube and I was peeping out James Charles's channel, and it was so funny because he had just put on a video of the very first Facebook makeup tutorial ever in the history of Facebook. It was from 2006, and James Charles was talking about how he was 9 years old. I was married with 2 kids in 2006, so clearly the whole 3.5-minute video was not much makeup at all, and somewhat laughable now if you look at everything that everybody else puts on, but that will give you some insight as to how I, a 37-year-old, am just learning all these cool new tricks these 20-somethings are, because they have literally grown up in this digital era. We have been using my Clinique powder as a base for years. 1 strip of eyeliner, boop, no wings. 1 color of eyeshadow, no eyeshadow primer, you know, and some lip gloss. That has been my go-to look for years. So now week, I don't even know what I'm starting off with. Pore filler, NYX. My NYX pore filler. So I woke up this morning and there's no snow on the ground. There's not even frost on the ground. I was waiting to see if I was gonna be like snowed in. Nope, nothing. Bare Minerals, Bare Pro, and Neat Color Cashmere on my face. Next, I'm going over with a second coat in my Maybelline Fit Dewy and Smooth Light Beige. It's not going to be a lash morning. I have 15 minutes before I gotta go. But I am gonna do my shadow. Tape up your eyes from the corner to the ends of your brow. Promise you, it will all stay where you want it. My Bare Mineral Nudes palette, which I cannot hold up any more than that angle because my 2-year-old, now 3-year-old, has found it and torn it apart. So now, looks like that. But the color still works for what I need it to. So no lashes, no under eye shadow. just foundation, shadow, mascara, and a gloss. That's all I'm gonna do. Now, don't get me wrong, I would wear lashes to work if I were not going in at 5 in the morning. I just cannot get myself up any earlier than this. They say to do a light hand to go at the end like this. Boop, 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 boop. Tap, tap. I'm using it as my base, so I don't mind if I get heavy all up in here. It's like, come on, let's go. Let's give me some color. I gotta go to work.
Let's cover up. Tranquil. Looks like darker. Smudge it out.
All right, now I'm going to get my Profusion face palette. I like this glittery, well, I'm sorry, it's not really even glittery at all. It's just like a neutral tone, but it's got a little bit of more sparkle in it. It's not a matte, muted brown like most of these other shadows are that are on my eyes. So I'm just gonna perk up my lid just a little bit, so I have a little bit of brightness and shine to me when I go to work. And then I am going to do my brows, which I'm doing with this same exact palette. It has like a little brow wax there and a brow tint right there. So, and it comes with this perfect little brush. And like I've said before, in high school, I was not the girl who had all the money to go waxing her brows all the time to stay in with the crowd. So I have my natural brows. I just darken up. No special shape. I'm not doing the whole... People always say they're going for a natural look. How's this for natural? Here are my brows. And let me show them to you darker. I want to make my nose look smaller, so I go on both sides like this and kind of chisel it out. Working? Smaller nose, anyone? I feel I did a better job without the tape than I did with using the tape. I look pretty?
So pretty.
Do I look pretty?
Pretty.
Pretty? Sticking with the Paris Hilton theme. Paris Hilton Volumizing Mascara. Liner. Where's my liner? Alright, I have to be at work in 10 minutes. I gotta go. I gotta put my butt into gear. I'm glad I got dressed first. I feel like the only thing I forgot to do was put the shimmer in my inner corner, which today I'm going with my Loreal Dew Pot.
No.
Got it in my Ipsy bag, really love
No.
it. Add a little shine there.
No.
Shine there, get rid of that mascara.
No.
Cupid's bow. A little bit under my eyebrow.
I see it.
Some Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Crush. Mama's late. Urban Decay blush, almost forgot. Apples, smile. Setting spray. Without my lashes on, I feel like there's not even much to set. See that? Beauty Evolved Dewy. Well, now it's snowing. See if you can see this. Snowing big flakes. That stuck really fast. It's snowing! Hi, Choo-Choo. Say hi. Say hi, baby girl. Look, say hi. 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 Thanks, guys. Don't forget to follow me at Snapchat at Roxy, ROXXIE 1981, at Instagram and on Facebook at The Curvy Cuban. And I really appreciate you hitting like and subscribe. We'll catch you guys on the flip side.